So check this out right here. As I was walking down the street, I saw this perfect reflection. And the reason why I think that this is perfect is because it's a dark, almost black mirror-like glass. This is ideal for reflection, and I think it's gonna work perfectly in a scene like this. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and get as close as I possibly can to make a perfect reflection of this scene and sort of split that frame right down the middle. Now you're gonna see where my lenses are here. It's not really working because my lenses are too far away. In order to get a great reflection shot, I need my lenses as close to that reflective surface as possible. So what I'm gonna do is rotate this, and when I do, I'm placing my lenses directly next to this reflective surface, giving me the best possible chance to get the best possible reflection. So now that my camera's in just the right position here, I'm gonna take my first shot. It's completely different than any shot I can possibly get without using this reflective surface. Anyone else walking up the street just walks right by this shot. Now I want to switch it up a little bit by going to vertical here, making sure that my lens is as close as physically possible to this reflective surface. I'm going to go ahead and switch to my 0.5. And when I do that, the scene completely transforms. Now I'm really bringing in this entire reflective surface as well as the entire scene on the left-hand side. The sky, the road, the architecture, and most importantly, these beautiful flags over here. With that in mind, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this next shot. And now I wanna work the scene even more. Now I'm gonna do that by simply sliding down just a little bit. And here in this position, I can pan up to include more of these flags and more of the sky, because that really is the whole point that I'm here. And I wanna make sure that they're prominent in the frame. I'm gonna grab this photo here, make sure I have this perfect symmetry. This is looking so, so cool and so completely different than any shot I've seen before at this location. Now we're still gonna work the scene. I'm gonna try and get a slightly different composition here. And I'm gonna do that by rotating to my horizontal while I'm still in my 0.5. And that's just incorporating a little bit more of the architecture as well as this reflection in the shot. Now in this position here, I'm not really liking it because I have a little bit too much of that ground in my shot. All I need to do is tilt up, and if I position it just about here and grab this photo, it just looks a lot more interesting than including way too much of the ground before. Now that I got this shot, what I want to do is pan up a little bit more and see if I can cut off a lot of these cars that are parked on the street. They're not really doing much for me here. So I think if I just tilt up a little bit, I include more of the sky and more of these flags. That's exactly what I'm looking to capture here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, make sure I have that perfect symmetrical reflection. I think that's really, really working well in this composition. For everyone else that walks down this street, this is simply a window, but to a photographer, this is a portal to a world that completely will transform your imagery. This total reflection gives us symmetry and gives us something unique, something creative that everyone else that would walk by the scene never even considered. Okay, now that we captured this shot, let's keep on exploring. This video was a free preview of my Capture It All online course. In this course, you'll discover how to use your iPhone to literally capture everything that's happening around you. We'll talk about composition, storytelling, timing, photographing people, recording videos, time lapses, flying a drone, and so much more. If you'd like to use your iPhone to its fullest potential, please take a look at the full version of Capture It All. You'll find the link in the description right next to this video. So click on that link right now and I'll see you inside the full version of the course.